This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 25 Exception Handling III. In this section, we explore the built-in exception handling packages in Java, review key concepts like try-catch, finally throw, and throws, and delve into additional details about Java exception handling. We then examine nested try-catch blocks, which allow handling different exception types within a single method by implementing indefinite levels of nested try-catch blocks, where the outer block handles one exception type and the inner block handles another. Next, we dive into Java's built-in exception classes and methods, which are part of the Java Lang package and handle errors and exceptions through the throwable class hierarchy, including subclasses like error, exception, and runtime exception, each catering to specific types of exceptions. Furthermore, we explore user-defined exceptions, which enhance program versatility, flexibility, and reliability by allowing developers to create custom exceptions derived from the throwable class or its subclasses, such as insufficient fundception for handling banking transactions. We then examine real-world exception handling examples, demonstrating the crucial nature of exception handling for robust programs in Java, identifying potential exception points, using try-catch blocks, handling multiple exceptions with a single try and multiple catch blocks, and leveraging the throws keyword. Building on this foundation, we transition to distributed and multi-threaded programming concepts in Java, exploring its capabilities for internet programming and web application development, setting the stage for subsequent learning modules. In summary, we have covered the importance of exception handling for creating reliable and robust Java programs, the built-in exception hierarchy and user-defined exceptions, real-world examples, and an introduction to multi-threading and distributed programming, essential concepts for modern software development. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.